And just like that, our giveaway is done. The winners have been chosen, and I have received a list of who won what. And today we're going to talk about our main winner. I'm pretty excited about this. This is, something that I've got a ton of money and time wrapped up in. And at this point, I have not told anyone that they won. At this point, the top two prize winners have gotten a message from me saying that there was some discrepancies with their entries, and I needed to call them to iron out some details. So that's all I've said at this point. Of course, being the person that I am, I've done some Instagram stalking. I've done, my end of this. I know who's winning, and my biggest fear ever was that somebody was going to win this turbo and just go sell it, because that's it's not why I did this. I wasn't just trying to give it away. I was trying to give somebody that, let somebody win a turbo. So, I'm feeling like this worked out, so I'm really pumped about it, and I just can't thank you all enough. You guys all, blew this thing up. We had a ton of entries. Had 600 actual people, 599 actual people that entered the giveaway that were not immediately disqualified. I am stoked to say that everything went smooth, so that's sweet. Thank you everyone for entering, and honestly, I think we should probably keep doing these because they're pretty fun. What do you guys think? Drop down in the comments below. You think we should keep doing these giveaways? I mean, you guys are all Subaru enthusiasts, so should we be doing this still, or what's the deal? We're probably gonna go over here and just give this guy a call, and I'm just gonna roll the camera and we'll put it on speakerphone and we'll see what he's got to say. We are going to call Randy Plumlee. That is who we're gonna call here. I think that's how you say his last name. He was subscribed and following my Instagram, so I went on, followed him on Instagram, requested it this morning, and sent him a message, said, "Hey Randy, going through the giveaway entries and there are some discrepancies I need to clear up with your entries. Could I get your phone number so we can chat this afternoon and get everything ironed out?" I'm gonna put it on speakerphone and I'm gonna just tell him "Hey yo, you won Force Performance FP Green Turbo, homie."
Hello.
Hey, is this Randy?
Yeah.
Hey Randy, this is Logan with 89 Auto Works.
What's going on, Logan?
Hey, not a whole lot, man. How you doing?
Pretty good.
Hey.
Just talk to you on the phone after watching all your YouTube videos and stuff.
Yeah, heck yeah, man. Hey, just called to let you know you won that FP Green.
Seriously.
Swear to you, man.
Bro, fuck yeah.
Tell me a little bit about, your car, yourself, your situation, I guess.
So actually, you messaged me on my personal account, which I never post on. I actually have an account designated for my STI. I got a 2012 STI hatch that I picked up a few years ago.
Heck yeah.
I've been doing a bunch of work to it. I actually put in an FP Blue 4 months ago.
Yeah.
And I've been loving it, but you can always do more, right?
I was gonna say, yeah, this is a significant size upgrade for sure. That FP Blue, we've played around with them around here too, and they're great turbo. That FP Green though, that thing's gonna give you some sauce for sure. So break it down. What's the build on your car like?
The build as of now, no short block, but I got front mount intercooler, ID1300s. I got IAG fuel lines, rails, pump. I got the Aeromoto 320 pump. I've done just about everything to it but build the motor now, so that's the next step.
So full bolt on, making some...
Right.
Is it a currently running car?
Yeah, it's currently running. Yeah, it's actually at my tuner right now. I'm E85 tuning it right now.
Psh, you better put that on hold, man. You got an FP Green coming. You can make some real steam with that thing.
Yep, exactly. Yeah, it makes 374 on 91 pump gas right now to the wheels.
Very nice.
And then I was hoping for 420 with the 85, but with an FP Green might be doing a little bit more than that.
Yeah, that's no doubt, man. I mean, it should be a pretty solid setup, and it's got the 84 mil compressor, so it's definitely it was purchased for my personal car. I bought it for my bug eye that I You know, you've probably seen on my channel, and I honestly, the only reason I ended up getting rid of it is because I was going rotated. I really just wanted to see somebody run it, just see the turbo get used.
Oh, it'll absolutely get used.
Looks like you're a dad also. You know, that's huge.
Yeah.
That's a huge part of life for me too. I have 4 daughters, so it's
Oh, yeah, very nice,
yeah. So you know, I stay busy. I stay busy for sure, and I definitely have a ton of respect for people that, you know, take care of their family and also, you know, are heavily into cars as much as I am. So, hell yeah, man.
I do my best.
Yeah,
I appreciate that.
I'm definitely pumped that, you know, it was somebody that I'm happy to see the turbo going to. So, I'm gonna let you run though, man. I got a couple other people to call here, and look forward to talking to you in the future here. And congratulations on your turbo.
Sweet, man. Thanks again for everything. I really appreciate it.
Absolutely, bro. Take care of yourself.
Yep, you too.
All right. Woo! Yeah, guys, he's pumped. I'm freaking excited. I didn't think I was gonna be this excited to give expensive stuff away, but it's like, this is fun. This is like, he's actually like pumped about this. I am waiting on a message back at this point. Oh. Okay, so we have, I'm not even gonna stop.
Hello?
Hey, is this Earl?
Yes, sir.
Hey, this is Logan with 89 Auto Works.
Oh, how are you doing, sir?
Hey, I'm doing well. How are you?
Good, good. Everything's fine.
Hey, I was just calling to let you know that you won the toolkit.
Oh, snap.
Yeah, bro.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you got some really sick tools that are coming your way. You know, I did a little bit of Instagram stalking earlier, and just so you know, I am recording this for my channel.
Yeah.
But you know, what? Tell me about your build a little bit.
So I have the 19 SCI Subaru, and for right now, I'm just doing like a couple bolt-ons. I'm currently getting tuned by, you know, Bader for Bader Built Racing,
Oh yeah.
and I'm still doing more mods since I'm just starting. I'm looking for, you know, to build it more like get a built engine and everything. So I'm just searching, like doing research, so you know, I know what to get.
Is this your first Subaru?
Yes, first turbo Subaru.
So here you go. Now you're gonna have some tools to work on that turbo Subaru, because it sounds to me like you're gonna be putting some horsepower down. And I'll tell you, if you haven't learned yet, that, you know, you build a Subaru and you're either gonna do one of two things. You're gonna work on it a lot to keep it running perfectly, or you're gonna work on it a lot to, you know, make it not be blown up.
Right now, you know, luckily it's never given me an issue. Everything works fine. You know, he has a great tune in it. You know, I trust the guy that tuned the car. Yeah, so it's making a pretty conservative power right now. I'm right around 350 wheel at the moment. Yeah. So actually, I'm gonna order the FB green, but then I saw your giveaway, so I'm like, you know, let me give this a shot. I might win this.
There you go, guys. There's another one. That's the only ones we're gonna call. Unfortunately, the person that won the IAG swag pack, I have not heard back from them yet. I did not get information to be able to look them up on Instagram. All right, guys. I can't thank you enough for waiting. I know it's been a while since we've got everything updated with the giveaway. And I'll tell you, it's 100% my fault. It's all on me, and it's purely because I'm just swamped with everything going on around here, trying to do my best to be the best, you know, at everything I'm trying to do. You know, I just want to be, you know, my best version of myself, and that really is hard to cater to you guys, my family, my YouTube channel, my business, my, you know, everything. I just went ahead and ordered everyone's shirts. Shirts from Smedia are on the way. My 89 AutoWorks shirts, those are being made. I have an appointment next week to finalize designs with my graphic designer, and we'll be going through that and kind of getting that worked out. And basically how it's going to work out is the winners are all going to get my first run of my next line of shirts, and these are going to be something that we will be selling. And yeah, it's just going to be kind of get them while they're there, and we'll talk more about that later. Can't thank the sponsors of this giveaway enough. They've, you know, come and done some extremely great things. Can't thank Company 23, IAG, Force Performance. I couldn't thank you guys enough for coming together and, you know, really helping me get this giveaway going. I will include a list of everyone that won here. Just can't thank everyone enough for, you know, getting entered to win. This was such a fun thing for me to do, and honestly, I would like to continue to do this kind of thing going forward. Get some good partners with the channel, and hopefully, you know, be able to give away some things that are, you know, actually of value to Subaru owners or built car owners or whatever. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for, you know, really everything. You know, I love doing this, and hopefully we can continue to push this thing up. We picked up about 250 subscribers during the giveaway period, and I would like to just keep pushing this thing forward and up, and hopefully, you know, this can be something we do a lot more of going forward. This right here is me filming today, Thursday the 18th, I think it is. There is a ton coming up for you guys. This is the absolute most current thing of me here. So just know things are coming. Vehicles are running. I have my own vehicles running sometimes, kind of. And we're going to start doing some more fun stuff. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for getting entered to win. Thanks for sticking around and watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for supporting my business. Thank you for supporting my family. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you, guys.